Alrighty then, so rather than drill holes in that piece there, I just took me a welder and put a couple of spot welds on each end of it, which I can easily cut apart should I ever decide that I don't want that anymore. And with that, I'm going to call it good enough and get the Jeep out of here and then clean up my garage here. It's a little bit messy. Let's put a little paint on that weld spot there. Let's get this thing out of here. I'll let y'all sit right there. Try not to get knocked over. Maybe I should sit you someplace more safer. More safer? In case one of them blocks kicks back. I knocked one of my good friends down on the floor recently. So I opened up the door and just ease this thing out of here. Boy, it's really cold today. Mercy sakes. I might not make it out here very long. I can tell that already. And it's a good day to stay in. This is the day that Mike died, and that kind of, I don't know what to say about that, except that, you know, I don't know. But anyway, I got videos to make. I went up and visited Luke yesterday, and I got some videos to make out of that. So. And this is so cold, I may just go right back in there. I ain't quite got the oomph that I think I would have had earlier, if that makes any sense. Squirt on that naked spot right there. Good enough, I believe. Good enough. I don't know, I just ain't quite got it in me. I got a mess to clean up. Look at it. Oh, just look at it. But I don't think I'll do it right now. I think I'll go hide inside a little longer. That's just the way I am, the way I'm thinking today. Just the way the day's going, I guess. Okay.